Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to unpause Xfinity device. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Xfinity account. All right, you necessarily do not need to launch your Xfinity account, but just for the sake of letting you in on how to create your Xfinity ID, I'm going to walk you through this process. So launch in the browser of your choice, and in the search bar type xfinity.com, and it's going to take you to this fantastic website. Just follow through the on-screen prompt and get your account set up. That's after creating your Xfinity ID. So once you're done, how do we get the job done by unpausing Xfinity device? Here's exactly what you can do. So let's say you paused all devices, right? Internet access for devices connected to your home network can be blocked individually or at the person level. Now, pausing a person will pause internet access on your home network for all of their assigned devices. So this is how you can pause a person. Let's start with that, and then we can head over to unpausing a person or a device. So let's use that simultaneously, okay? So pause, select the person from the connected to your Wi-Fi section on the Wi-Fi tab. All right, so once it gets to the Wi-Fi tab, select the person connected to your Wi-Fi and then select pause all devices. You can also select pause all devices directly from your Wi-Fi. Note, this option will be available for people that are not already paused or in downtime and have at least one connected device. That's how you can pause, right? And you can pause the person for a specific amount of time, for example 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 2 hours, or indefinitely until you choose to unpause the devices. And once a person is paused, any new device assigned to them will be paused. Please note that any in progress activity might not stop immediately. Access to local network devices like printers and connections that use cellular data or other Wi-Fi networks won't be paused. So this is how you can unpause a person. So after pausing using all of those steps, select the persons from the connected to your Wi-Fi section. So once you check your Xfinity Wi-Fi section, all right, you're gonna see the persons, like different persons that you would like to unpause. So let's say you pause the person and you want to unpause the person. Go ahead and select the person from the connected to your Wi-Fi section on the Wi-Fi tab. Once you do that, you're gonna see an option for you to unpause all devices next to the person. So select the person, and the next thing that you have to do is to click on unpause all devices. Now you can also select unpause all devices directly from Wi-Fi. If the person is paused under a downtime schedule, you can choose to wake up all devices directly from the Wi-Fi tab. So there are two options now: unpause all devices and wake up all devices. So use wake up all devices if the person is paused under a downtime schedule. This will unpause all devices assigned to that person, and that person will now have access to connecting to your Xfinity Wi-Fi and having the same Xfinity experience that you have. So that's pretty much how you can unpause devices, or you can unpause a device rather in Xfinity. Now go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.